Hello viewers, welcome to the another module of chess lessons. Now in this module, we will learn about how to play the game with do's and don'ts, and we will learn about how to checkmate with specific pieces and all that. And we have to last module we have discussed about all the rules and how the pieces moves and draw rules, castling, and n%. Now in this module we will talk about the how to play the game properly. Let's start it. Now we will see this is the center of the chessboard, which is very important, and this is the key squares. You can see this is e4, this is e5, this is d4, this is d5. So these are the central squares which will control the center. So whenever you develop a piece, you have to develop towards the center. Okay, so it is very crucial, just like a border between two countries. If the border is not secure, you will have a problems to your country. In the same way, you will if the center is not properly defended or properly occupied, you will have possible encounters with the opponent. Now, so let us suppose if I am let's take off this. If I am controlling these squares like this, if I am controlling this square, so yeah, I'm occupying this square and controlling this uh, this square. All right, so e4 is occupying the e4 square and controlling d4. All right, if I am occupying something like, if I am playing d4, if I am playing d4, I'm occupying this square and controlling these squares. So whenever you develop a piece, this is the main principle you have to remember. You have to develop towards the center. Now let's assume that if we don't follow this rule, what will happen? If white controls the center, it occupies the center squares, and let's see how the black plays if you literally violate it. And now imagine, of course, if you play this, you will get a mate in one like this. So now you have a check, and the king, black king, is checkmated. You can't defend it, you can't move anywhere, you can't block it, you can't kill either. So this is what happens when you move the side pawns. Of course, sometimes if you don't move this pawn, it will not be a checkmate, but you will definitely encounter problems with if you open your side pawns uh, of the king. So this is about the pawns in the opening. So mostly you have to move only the center pawns, so that if you move the center pawns like e4, and let us suppose f6 or d4, something like that. Now you are opening your bishops, right? And knights, anyway they will uh, anyway you can develop the knights without the help of opening the pawns, and that is how. Now see, all these knights will look towards the center, and the developed bishops, okay, so developed bishops all will concentrate on the center, then you will be having a very strong center. That is how you have to start a game. So we will learn a lot of other things in the next video. Thank you.